large piece of cardboard up against the corbels, the pieces that look like they hold up the cornice, and I put it up against there and I traced around it while I was holding it there, and then I cut it out. So this is the large corbel, and this is where it's broken. So this part is still on the building, and this part needs to be made. And there's a 1/4 inch inset of a piece of wood. Well, anyway, I'll show you as we go along. So here's the pattern. I cut it off right where no. And I cut 2 pieces out of 1 by. I'm setting this up on the table saw. This steel bed is completely flat, and the way I have it here is so that I can fit a clamp underneath. So I'm starting at the middle and I'm going around placing the pieces as they were done. As this piece was done originally. I know the instructions say just glue it on one side. Well, I'm gluing it on both just because of the application. This is Elmer's Wood Max. Bonds stronger than wood. Resist heat, mold, mildew. Yeah, interior, exterior. All right, that's what we want. Exactly that. So this is a corbel, and this is what it's going to look like. This when it gets done. Is this? Yes, that goes there. It's should be a 1/4 inch around all the perimeter. Look, this is not. Oh, this is flush because that's where it broke. So this should be a 1/4 inch all the way around.
What is this thing that you're building?
It's called a corbel. It's a decorative thing that looks like it holds up the cornice. So now I'm going to clamp it here. Here we are, putting in the beadboard. This is a corbel, sticks out from under the soffit, and we need a 4 1/4 by 4 1/2 little pyramid shaped thing. But I'm gluing this piece to this before I cut it. I had trouble with the first time. I made this diagram of the corbel, and there was a piece that came down here, and I marked where it had cracked, and what I did is I built the piece that was up against the wall, and I need this piece. So I put this, this is not cardboard, but it's cardboard-like material, up against the corbel. I had to bend this over because there's a piece of molding to make sure it goes up against the fascia and up against the soffit. Now this fascia is the fascia that's underneath the soffit and is on top. There's a brick wall and then a soffit, and it comes down here so somewhere. I've transferred this to this, and I verified the distances to make sure it's at least fairly close. And what I like about this construction is it's 20 feet up in the air, and it doesn't need a precision that one would use to build a piano. So it just don't need to be precise.